This isn't just another off-plan launch in Dubai. The edit at D3 is a strategic move inside the city's future creative capital, and only a few people even know what's really unfolding here. In the next few minutes, you will get the numbers, the risk, and the upside, and why missing this could mean missing the early window into Dubai's next big district. In this video, I will cover following topics: government backing and strategic alignment, development phases and performance summary,
the connectivity and infrastructure,
the edit at D3, project profile, specification and concept, market challenges and risk, opportunities and upside potential, and the last part would be the Dubai Design District or D3 is a master planned creative ecosystem developed under TCOM Group, a subsidiary of Dubai Holding, reflecting strong government backing and vision. Launched in 2015, D3 was conceived to bolster Dubai's knowledge economy by nurturing design, fashion and creative industries. The district's development aligns closely with high-level city plans. Notably, Dubai Holding executives have affirmed that projects in D3 contribute to Dubai's 2040 Urban Master Plan and economic agenda of D33, a strategic roadmap to sustainable urban growth and economic doubling. In fact, Meraas, part of Dubai Holding, explicitly links its development in D3 to these plans, viewing them as catalysts for Dubai's long-term economic expansion. This alignment is reinforced by the Dubai Creative Economic Strategy, which aims to transform Dubai into global creative capital by 2025, which is this year. Under this strategy, the contribution of creative industries to GDP is targeted to rise from just 2.6% in 2020 to 5% in 2025, with the number of creative companies more than doubling from 8,300 to 15,000 and creative professionals increasing from 70,000 all the way till 140,000. As the Emirate pursues this ambitious goal, D3 serves as a key platform, a purpose-built district to attract designers, artists, and creative businesses, thereby directly supporting the Dubai's 2040 vision of diversified, innovation-driven development. Dubai's leadership has also integrated D3 into city-wide agendas like the Dubai Urban Master Plan of 2040, which emphasizes creating sustainable, creative, and lifestyle-oriented communities. In short, D3 benefits from robust government patronage and policy support, positioning it as a cornerstone of Dubai's creative economy growth. So in phase 1, D3 launched as a free zone for fashion, design and tech, delivered roughly around 1.6 million square feet of grade A offices, studios and retail spaces. As of 2025, 1,100 plus businesses, 20,000 professionals are already working there. 98% of commercial occupancy, well above city average. Tenants include design firms, galleries, agencies, startups and creative institutions. TCOM's best performing district, showing a strong investor response. We talk about the phase 2, which is from 2024 all the way till 2028. Roughly around 825 million dirham worth of expansion is planned. 6 new buildings by 2028 plus sports zones and creek promenade. D3 is shifting to a mixed-use community with residential integration. Design Quarter, the first phase in Design District, and then Atlas, and now the edit marks its residential debut. Market reception has been positive. Design Quarter nearly sold out. Now let's talk about the performance as an indicator. Over 100 creative events per year, Design Week, Fashion Week, etc. supports more than 120 plus startups via in-5 hub. Global attention and near full occupancy reinforce D3's rise as the region's top creative districts. Dubai's Design District or D3 has been master planned not just for access but for experience. Sit right along the Dubai Creek and bordering Ras Al Khor. It sits just minutes from the heart of the city. A short 10 minutes drive connects D3 to downtown Dubai, DIFC, and even the airport, making it logistically ideal for professionals constantly on the move. But while road access is seamless via Al Khail and Oud Mehta Road, what really sets the D3 apart is how it's designed for people, not just traffic. Inside the district, cars take a back seat, literally. Parking is pushed into podiums and basement, keeping the surface walkable. Wide, shaded promenade, open plazas, and waterfront walkways encourage people to explore on foot. Even transport tells a story. Electric Abras cruise along the creek, connecting D3 to Festival City in a way that blends nostalgia with modernity. Dubai's future Metro Blue Line, set to launch by 2029, will run near D3 via Ras Al Khor, putting the district just one interchange away from city's core rail network. The upgrade will transform public access, especially for creative commuting from across the city. On the ground, D3's expansion will further stretch the creek promenade, linking residential podium gardens with plazas and parks to create a flowing public rail. Add to that cycling path, smart infrastructure, and a tech like 5G and 6G. In short, D3 isn't just easy to get to, it is easy to stay in, a place where movement, mobility, and human scale design come together, just as you'd expect from a district built for the future of design itself. The Edit at D3 is Meraas' flagship residential launch inside Dubai's design district, and it's a whole community on the water, and the first to bring luxury waterfront living to this creative hub. It consists of 3 towers, each designed with a unique focus, one for creativity, another for wellness, and the third for families. Together, the towers offer 557 high-specs apartments, from spacious 1-bedroom apartment to expansive 4-bed and 3-bed ultra-luxury penthouses. Sizes start at around 860 square feet, with layouts prioritizing natural light, livable space, and outdoor terraces. Even smaller units come with generous balconies, while larger ones offer corner views or private lift lobbies across the board. The design emphasizes lifestyle over density. Amenities match that vision: co-working spaces, cinemas, gym, pools, paddle courts, and family lounge, all integrated across a connected podium. Residents, regardless of tower, can access full range. If we talk about the pricing of the Edits, it starts from 2 million dirham for a 1-bedroom. 2-bedroom starts from roughly around 4 million all the way till 5 million and goes up to 34.1 million for penthouses. Payment is split across 4.5 years to 5 years timeline, with handover in 2030, a flexible structure that appeals to long-term investors. Price per square feet: the best values lies in smaller 1 and 2-bedroom units, which combine attractive entry pricing with strong rental potential. Larger units are positioned more for end users seeking lifestyle and exclusivity. This isn't a generic luxury project dropped into a business park. It is a design-driven community built to reflect and elevate the district around it. Investing in the Edit means playing the long-term game. With handover set for 2030, buyers are committing to a multi-year journey with no rental income during construction. While Meraas and Dubai Holding, being a 100% government entity, add credibility, long timeline always carries some risk, delays, market shifts, or unexpected economic turns. There is also the bigger picture. Dubai's luxury market is heating up again. From branded towers to waterfront projects, high-end supply is growing fast. By the time the edit completes, the market could be more competitive. If too many similar properties flood the market, rent could soften and resale gains may take longer to realize. Liquidity could be an issue too. High-end properties don't move as quickly, especially pre-handover time. Service charges also reduce the profit margins. When we talk about the rental income, selling early might be tough because Meraas allows resale only when 40 to 50% of the payment has been done to the Meraas. Finally, there is the cost of ownership as well. With extensive amenities come high service fees, which can eat into rental yield. And while D3 is well designed, key infrastructure like the metro station is still in progress. It could impact convenience and appeal at handover. In short, this isn't a quick flip. It is a high conviction, long-term investment horizon that requires patience and confidence in Dubai's creative district strategy. It is only the second residential project in Dubai's design district, an area backed by Dubai's vision to become a global creative capital. With over 1,100 companies and 20,000 professionals already working in D3, there is a strong built-in demand for homes within walking distance of work, culture, and community. The edit taps directly into that demand. As D3 continues to grow with more offices, retails, events, and likely a metro station, its appeal as a place to live will grow with it. The edit will be among the few residential options available at the heart of that ecosystem, which could drive strong rental demand and capital appreciation over time. There is also a brand assurance. Meraas has a track record of delivering standout communities like Blue Waters, City Walk, Bulgari, and the edit follows the same DNA. Quality of delivery and ongoing maintenance are crucial in preserving long-term value, and Meraas projects tend to age well. If D3 succeeds in becoming the cultural heartbeat of Dubai, the edit could become its most coveted address. For investors aligned with that vision, this isn't just a property, it is a stake in a rising district. And as you know me, I always give my honest opinion based on the numbers, not emotions. The edit isn't just a property, it is a stake in what Dubai's design district is becoming. With limited residential supply, a strong government backing, and a clear cultural vision, it offers early access to a district positioned as the creative capital of the region. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly.